Assalamualaikum, namaskar. Ami Minami KUROKAMI from JICA Bangladesh office, representative in charge of ICT sector. Thank you very much for having me on this occasion today. Hello to yes, and thank you to the Executive Director, ICT of VPTA, for hosting this event today. And so, yes, thank you for giving me the chance to speak. Although my Banga is very limited, I was very happy to see this active and engaging discussions by all the participants. I understand that many from the BPT Bangladesh Bank, as well as other financial sector colleagues are here today. And so I think this kind of occasion is extremely important to start the discussion for cybersecurity, as cybersecurity is an issue that encompasses not just one sector, but the entirety of Bangladesh. And so JICA's cooperation to the ICT sector started in the 2000s with the dispatch of several volunteers to the Bangladesh Computer Council. And then since then, we have vamped up our cooperation with in the ICT sector with the many technical cooperation projects, and including the one that is currently being led by Mr. Shoji and Ms. Katsuki in the B-Top SE program, which is designed for mid-career ICT professionals to gain their skills through training courses that we are currently designing right now. And on the topic of cybersecurity, JICA has been receiving strong requests from the government of Bangladesh over the past few years for some kind of cooperation. And we have been conducting training in Japan for cybersecurity, for policy formulation, as well as practical skills for cybersecurity for Bangladesh government officials, such as the National Cybersecurity Agency, led by Mr. Kamalaman, who is here today. And so, as you know, cybersecurity is important and critical, not just for government officials, but also for the industry as well as academia. And so these kinds of discussions, such as the one that we had today, which includes all stakeholders in this sector, in this important topic, is very crucial for moving forward in this in this area. And so I hope that this is a beginning, or these kinds of discussions can be held maybe through our cooperation in BTOP-SC, but also not just limiting to that. And so this is the start of more cooperation with you in the finance sector and our JICA's cooperation. And so thank you very much, and onek donobat.